Hello, dear friend. I think I have figured out the messy hair bun. I have watched video after video after video and tutorial after tutorial after tutorial. And I think now that I'm 50, I've figured it out. So I'm going to try to attempt it. And I'm going to walk you through it so that you can tell me if I got it right. So this is third day hair. You don't want super clean hair. You're going to gather it up. I like mine to be up high on my head. High, high, high. Okay. And since it's supposed to be messy, I'm not going to worry about, smoothing everything down too much. One thing that I saw, that if you have thinner hair, which I do, is to kind of separate the hair a little bit. It makes it wider. See, I've got my hands kind of plied through there, but I've got my pinky holding on the outside and my thumb holding on the other side. You want to put the hair to the opposite of where your hairband is, and you're going to pull with this hand on top, your non-dominant hand on top, pull, and then you're going to stick it in to the front, and then you're going to swoop it back around that hair and then over and grab all the stuff on top, and you're going to pull your hand out and you're going to pull this over on top, and you have a messy hair bun. And you just kind of swirl and swoop and pull and tug, and ta-da! Messy hair bun, messy hair bun. You have to tell me how I did. And it's a little bit floppy, and there's these pieces on the end. If I cared enough, I would probably pin those down, but I don't. I'm just going to try to tuck them in there. And yeah. And then I'll go about my day. And I can wear my hair like this for over and over and over again until I want to wash my hair. And I think it looks pretty cute. If you like the messy hair bun look. You have to let me know how I did. I'll see you again soon. So I just wanted to show you real quick that I'm kind of futzing with this. I pulled it apart a little bit, front and back, and I tucked the crazy hairs into the end, and so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I think it looks pretty good, and I can wear it for quite a while. Let's see if we can get a